Bonjour, good morning. Today we'll take up the direct complementary pronoun or the direct object pronoun. Now, the direct complementary pronoun has three forms: le, la, and le. We have seen these forms earlier in the 11th standard, but with different meanings and different usages. Under the direct complementary pronoun, le will mean him or it, la will mean her or it, and le will mean them or it also. Now, le substitutes or is used to replace masculine singular nouns. La will replace feminine singular nouns, and le will replace both masculine and feminine plural nouns. Now, pronoun, the very word pronoun means for a noun. Pro means for and noun will mean noun. So, some word which is used instead of a noun or for a noun or replacing a noun is known as a pronoun. Now, this direct complementary pronoun will always be used instead of nouns but in front of verbs. Now, what type of nouns would the direct complementary pronoun replace? Now, the direct complementary pronoun replaces a proper noun. Now, what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a person, or names of persons may be replaced by the direct complementary pronoun. The second thing which it replaces is the definite article plus the noun. So what are definite articles? Le, la, L apostrophe and les are forms of the definite articles. These forms plus the noun will be replaced by the direct complementary pronoun. The third thing which the direct complementary pronoun replaces is the possessive adjective and the noun. So what are possessive adjectives? Mon, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, votre, leur, non, vo and leur. These are all possessive adjectives. So all these possessive adjectives plus the noun will be replaced by the direct complementary pronoun. And fourthly, it replaces the demonstrative adjective plus the noun. So sir, set, say. These are forms of the demonstrative pronoun plus the noun. All these will be replaced by the direct complementary pronoun only. Now, the direct complementary pronoun, I am reminding you again, will be used instead of nouns and in front of verbs. So let us look at the first example. Je regarde Jean. Here, Jean, which is in red, is the noun which you have to replace. And Jean is the name of a person. So it is a proper noun. It will be replaced by le. Jean means John. I look at John. So you are replacing John by le, because le will replace masculine singular nouns. Here John is the name of a person and it is masculine singular. So John will be replaced by le. And where will le be used? Le will be used instead of the noun but in front of the verb. The verb here is regard, R-E-G-A-R-D-E. So je le regarde will mean I look at him. The second example, il a acheté cette maison. He has bought this house. Here you are going to replace cette maison, which is in red. Now, cette maison comprises of the demonstrative adjective plus the noun. So, demonstrative adjectives plus the noun will be replaced by the direct complementary pronoun. So, il a acheté cette maison. Now, cette maison will be replaced normally by la, because cette maison is feminine singular and la will be used to replace feminine singular nouns. So, here, when you want to put la in the sentence, you are putting it in front of a vowel. A is a vowel. So, la and le will become L apostrophe before vowels. In this case, la will become L apostrophe. So, il a acheté cette maison will become il l'a acheté. Now, if you look at the verb acheter in the first sentence and in the second sentence, you will find that I have added an extra E in green for the second sentence. Now, why has this agreement made? Why has this agreement been made? This agreement has been made because this L apostrophe is feminine singular and to make the reader understand that this L apostrophe is feminine singular, you have to add an extra E to the past participle. If you look at the sentence is in the passé composé. Therefore, the past participle will agree in number and gender now to the pronoun to show the reader that the pronoun is feminine singular. If not, the reader will not know that the pronoun is feminine singular. So this agreement has to be made. Please refer to my video on agreements in compound tenses for this. The next example, nous allons manger notre repas. We are going to eat our meal. So, our meal is going to be replaced. Notre repas is going to be replaced by LE. Now, notre repas is masculine singular. And masculine singular nouns will be replaced by le. And you look at where I have positioned le, it is between both the verbs. Now, I already told you that the direct complementary pronoun will be used instead of the nouns, but in front of verbs. If you observe this sentence has two verbs, allons manger. The first verb is conjugated, the second verb is an infinitive. So, whenever you have sentences in the future proche, as in this case, present tense of aller plus the full verb, then the pronoun must be used between both the verbs. So that's how you get nous allons le manger. We are going to eat it. And the last example, il aime les enfants. You are replacing les enfants, which is a masculine plural noun, and les enfants will be replaced by les. Here, the sentence is in a simple tense, it's in the present tense. He likes the children, so he likes them, il les aime. I hope you would have understood the direct complementary pronoun from this simple explanation. Merci, au revoir.